Hi guys, today I'll show you how to actually take out the Nikon Photomic Prism. So first thing you need to do is that you notice there's a lever here. You need to press the lever down. You actually release it. Then you press behind. Or at the same time you press this down. You press these two together. 1, 2. And then gently press it down. Okay, again, put it back down. When you put it back at time, you need to press the front here also. You can't just put it back like that. You need to press first, only you put. You do it very gently. Okay, again, because if I just open here, if I just press here and I press here, I can't take it out. So the first step must always be the front one, like here. Press the front one first, then press the behind, and then you can come up. See? But when you press the behind at time, you need to make sure that you press behind and in front at the same time to release it. So yeah, it took me a while to figure this out and thought to share with you guys. But yeah, so there you go. Hope this helps you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.